Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is I, Karen Deneen. I am back with another video, and today I am making sunflower napkin rings using only items from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these sunflower napkin rings, then you stay tuned. For this DIY, you would need jute twine. It was located in the hardware section of my Dollar Tree. Next, you will need napkin rings. I couldn't find any in my Dollar Tree, so I ordered these online. You will also need a glue gun and glue sticks, which I already had on hand, a pair of scissors, and any flowers of your choice. Now, let's get started. Using my hot glue gun, I went ahead and glued one end of the twine inside the napkin ring to hold it in place. I took the other end of the twine and wrapped it around my finger, shortening the length of the string, then took a twist tie to hold it together so that it would be easier for me to loop it around the napkin ring. So now I'm going to take the jute twine and loop it around the napkin ring. I want the strings to be woven really tight around the napkin ring next to each other. I don't want the strings to overlap. I will continue this process all the way around until I have wrapped the ring completely, just like so. So here's the finished look. As you can see, there's excess strands, so what I'm going to do next is use my scissors to remove as many of those strands that I can without cutting the twine. And as you can see, I cut off as many strands as I could. Next, I removed the sunflower from the stem. And now what I'm going to do is cut off the tip from the back of the flower. Now I'm going to glue the back of the flower to the napkin ring using my hot glue gun. And here's the finished product. Isn't it cute? This project was probably the easiest and simplest project yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, honey, then what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time that I upload a video. So until next time, guys, bye-bye.